Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Our Message. Here we will learn the messages, sunnah and hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, so that we can live our lives according to his commandments. Keep connecting with our channel and share it with others. Jazakallah. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands, and a Muhajir immigrant is the one who gives up, abandons all what Allah has forbidden." Subscribe to our channel to stay connected. If you like our videos, then like and share them. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Thank you.